Thomas was very nervy and edgy this evening, rostered on the last western suburbs run from the city on Saturday night. He had heard terrifying stories about gangs of drunken punks in moccasins and was scared he wouldn't make it through the night with his boilers intact. Thomas had barely stopped at the first station when he noticed vile obscenities being drawn on the roof of one of his carriages. "Okay, punks," he mused, "make my day." Quickly, he diverted himself onto the freight line, and before the young punk could duck, he was spread all over a low bridge. "Eat soot, low-life scum," said Thomas. A large petrochemical plant loomed up in front of him. "Let's party," said Thomas. Thomas let go of his two carriages and watched the storage tanks explode into two enormous fireballs, icing the punks inside and everyone else within a 500-meter radius. He suddenly felt very calm. No one ever gave Thomas any bullshit ever again.